Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. So let's take a look here. Of course, again, as I've talked about, we've got the big, essentially the Powell, I can't talk to the press. Oops, I've learned to talk to the press. And now we're kind of right back here. And we are right back at the 200 period moving average, 200 period daily SMA, which hasn't moved that much during this whole time. And the battle is taking shape there. There's a lot of people that are fully expecting that the NASDAQ is going to roll over and die from here. And even though I'm a closet bear, I actually do not expect this. I'll go into this more detail in the premium video. Part of it is a contrarian point of view because everybody I'm talking to is bearish right now. But the other part is what's going on in the gold market. I mean, the gold market right now is actually pricing in quantitative easing. It's actually telling us that the central bank is going to have to cave and start lowering rates. All right, so there's a lot of interesting stuff there. But from a trading perspective, who cares as long as we can make money, right? On the spiders, we have breached that 200 period SMA. We're trying to hold above it, and believe me, we are extended here, and I'm certainly buying some SPY puts for hedges, but the path of least resistance is higher, and I'm not going to fight it. So how do we not fight it? A couple of things like earnings runs trades. Say we had a great trade, and we closed out a great trade in Roku. So this is it's been an earnings trade that we did, and of course the idea with this is that you get your specific targets. And this is, one of the tools I use, especially for trading smaller accounts. When you get into here, right, you get some volume, stuff like that, feed the ducks. Feed the ducks, because the odds that you're going to go much higher than that level on something like this is very, very low. And so you just want to feed those ducks and move on. So that was a big thing there. And then from there, what I'm looking at is just some rotation and some different things like that that's happening. In fact, let me switch this over to a daily chart. So XLC right now is very, very interesting. There's some rotation coming into XLC, and there's some rotation coming into IBB, all right? And one of the big questions here is that when this rotation stuff happens, how do you spot it, early so you can participate in it instead of like after the fact going like, oh my gosh, look what happened. Now, keep in mind, if you're new to looking at sector rotations or even stock rotations, Danielle just completed a Saturday tutorial on this. Fantastic class, rave reviews, and she's now diving into her live trading. You can still sign up for this and see the recording of the class, and then also from there participate in the live trading if you want to learn how to do this. And so real quick, if you go to simplertrading.com/Phoenix, you can still sign up for the basic class. This is what already happened on Saturday, but you can get it at this lower rate before we put it into our store. That's when the prices go up. That's $497. You get the strategy class plus an indicator that actually goes through and pinpoints exactly which sectors where money is rotating into and which sector where money is rotating out of. And it makes it very, very easy to spot. I think if you scroll down here, there's more, there's more information about it, but it'll pinpoint. I know that's an eyesore right here, but it'll pinpoint and say, whatever that one right there, you can see that the money is rotating out of that. And then over here, you can see money was rotating into there. It's like a video game almost. It makes it so easy and so clean. But you can also do it for if you've got your favorite list of stocks and like the market's turning and you want to put your money into the strongest one of those stocks or options on those stocks. Great. Which one's turning first? Well, that'll tell you, which is great. So $497, you get the strategy around that plus the actual tool. And then the pro version basically includes all that plus 2 days of live trading with Danielle where she walks you through step by step on how to do this. So it's been great. It's been helping out a lot of people, which is important. And just want to show you that. So that's what I got. You guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.